HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and it plays a vital role in maintaining comfortable indoor environments. At Silicon Engineering Consultants LLC, we specialize in comprehensive HVAC engineering CAD services that bring precision and efficiency to every project. Our skilled team of engineers, technicians, and draftsmen design HVAC systems that balance temperature, humidity, airflow, and air filtration for buildings of all types, from high-rises to educational facilities. We provide detailed HVAC duct design, 2D KID drafting, cooling load calculations, and duct fabrication drawings, ensuring every component fits perfectly. Our approach covers everything from design and engineering to installation, testing, and commissioning, all while focusing on energy conservation and building management systems. With a commitment to quality, timely delivery, and affordable pricing, Silicon Engineering Consultants LLC serves clients worldwide, delivering quiet, efficient, and reliable HVAC solutions tailored to your needs. Trust us to keep your environment comfortable and your systems running smoothly.